children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read about prepositions. Now let's learn. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. जो preposition है वो क्या है? वो noun या pronoun के साथ या किसी और चीज के साथ सेंटेंस में जो अदर वर्ड है उसके साथ में उसका क्या रिलेशन है ये इसको शो करता है. नाउ रिमेंबर, अ preposition is always placed before a noun or a pronoun and therefore it is called a preposition. जो preposition है उसको noun या pronoun से पहले प्लेस किया जाता है और इसी वजह से इसको कहते हैं pre plus position. Now kinds of prepositions. Let us study the different kinds of prepositions. Number 1, prepositions of time. These prepositions are used to indicate the time of an action. जो action का time है उसको indicate करने के लिए इसको use किया जाता है. The prepositions at, in, since, for, during and on can be used as preposition of time. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. My school reopens in July. I have been waiting for him 1 hour. I have lived in Preet Vihar since 2010. You must finish this assignment within 7 days. Bears hibernate during winter. Now this is your exercise. You have to complete it. Now next is prepositions of place. They indicate the place where something is done or located. Preposition of place जो हमें है वो ये बताएगा कि कौन सी जगह में, place को locate करेगा, place को indicate करेगा कि किस जगह पर आपको जगह अगर indicate करनी है तो आप इसको use करेंगे. The prepositions at, in, between, behind, under, over, near, opposite, among, next to, by and on can be used as prepositions of place. इनको preposition of place के साथ use करते हैं. For example, I had kept the keys in the top drawer. There is a beehive on this tree. Ravi's school is near his home. Put this among the other presents. The cat jumped over the fence. Your shoes are under the bed. My hometown lies between Delhi and Meerut. Hang the painting above the sofa. Now this is your exercise. You have to complete it. Next is prepositions of direction. They indicate the direction of something. The prepositions to, over, up, down, up, to, across, along, around, under, into, onto, right, left, through, towards and off are prepositions of directions. ये जितने भी prepositions हैं ये direction को show करने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. For example, I go to school every day. The diver jumped into the pool. We took a ferry to go across the river. The train went through the tunnel. We are going over a bridge. They walked along the beach. We drove around the city for 2 hours. The drive down the hill was amazing. The cat jumped onto the sofa. They were coming towards us. Next is placement of prepositions. Now there are few rules that need to be followed for the placement of prepositions. अब prepositions को किस तरह से use करते हैं, कहाँ पर रखना चाहिए, उसके कुछ certain rules हैं. Number 1, preposition is usually followed by a noun or a pronoun. Preposition noun और pronoun से जो है उसको follow किया जाता है. For example, the pen is on the desk. She works in New York. I have been waiting for him. Next is usually. The preposition is placed before the object. However, sometimes it is placed after the object to form questions. जनरली क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले हम preposition को यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन पुट अप करना है तो उसको ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद भी यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, what game are you interested in? What are you looking at? What was the student complaining about? Next, when the object of a preposition is used as the subject, the preposition is placed at the end of the sentence. For example, the sky was too bright to look at. Faith is what we live by. Next is sometimes. A sentence may start with a prepositional phrase. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि prepositional phrase से भी हम sentence को start करते हैं. For example, in a large box, Radha packed her books. After the match, we went out to have dinner. Now note, when a prepositional phrase comes at the beginning of a sentence, it must be followed by a comma. अगर स्टार्टिंग में यूज़ कर रहे हैं prepositional phrase की तरह से, तो उसके बाद हमें कॉमा जरूर यूज़ करना है. दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रीक्वेंटली कंफ्यूज्ड prepositions, जिनमें हमें कंफ्यूजन होता है. नंबर 1, since and for. Since tells us the moment of time when an action began. For tells us the duration of the action. It tells us how long it lasted. जो for है वो हमें क्या बताता है, एक्शन की ड्यूरेशन को बताता है, हमें ये बताता है कि कितने लंबे समय तक ये काम चला है. और जो since है वो हमें क्या बताता है, मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम, जब आपका एक्शन शुरू हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have not seen him since last night. I have not seen him for 2 days. They have known each other since childhood. They have known each other for 20 years. Next is between and among. Between suggests a position between two objects or people. Among indicates a position where more than 2 people or objects are involved. अगर 2 के बीच में कहोगा तो आपका between का यूज़ होगा, और अगर जो 2 से ज़्यादा होंगे उसमें involved तो आप among का यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I sat between Anu and Sara. There was a fence between their house and ours. Kabir is popular among his classmates. You can choose between a pup and a kitten for a pet. Between can also be used for more than 2 things in certain sentences. For example, India lies between China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal and Sri Lanka. 2 से ज़्यादा के बीच में भी हम कभी कभी between का यूज़ करते हैं. I don't leave the class between periods. There is a good understanding between the NATO countries. Next is beside and besides. Beside means next to or near to. Besides means in addition to. For example, the temple is beside the school. Beside का मतलब क्या है कि next to or near, और besides means in addition to. My father sat beside me. My mother bought me a diary and a bag besides 2 books. She is good writer besides being a good editor. Next is in and into. In suggests the position at rest. Into suggests movement from outside to inside. जो in है वो rest की position को indicate करेगा, और into movement की position को. For example, they told the waiter that there was a fly in the coffee. The chef rushed into the kitchen. Now this is your exercise. You have to practice it.